What's up guys, it's A.R.S TeeVee here and we are back again with the fidget spinners. So today is a video of tips and tricks. I can't time it because the video will be so long. I'll try it with another fidget spinner because this fidget spinner is a bit heavier than the normal ones. So let's start with it. Now I'm just gonna give you one trick, and other tricks which I can't do, I'll just explain it. Because I can't do it in by myself because my index finger is broken and you do need it in the process. So if you're spinning your fidget spinner, spin it with 2 fingers. Now you have to wait for the balance. You have to hold it tight. Now slowly remove the thumb and slowly balance this. I'll feel like you're basically feels like it's levitating. Yeah, it's sort of levitating kind of process, but it's not that kind of levitating process, but it looks kind of cool. I'll show you have a huge patience level. In this case, I'm very bad at it, but I did it in the video. Now, other tricks are like, you can just like throw it in the air and just catch it with these 2 fingers, which I can't do. I'm just like having a one-day experience with this fidget spinner. And I'll learn, if I learn it, I'll make a video like how I did for the bottle flip. So fidget spinner tricks and tips and tricks, basically. Another video on it, like with my friends. So now let's move into the tips section. So if you want to make your fidget spinner faster, what will you do? Now I've got the answer from one of the YouTubers. They had made a video on how to make it faster without weight reduction. Now in my case, you can do weight reduction. Basically you can just remove these ball bearings. In this case you can't remove it because they are basically glued. I don't know if they're super glued, but they're glued. That's what I know about it. Now we can actually we can't even remove the caps, but in the video it was explaining that if you can remove the caps, there is a gasket like thing. It's like a rubberish kind of thing, but it's like plastic made. If you can remove that, basically you spin faster because that's like a stopper kind of thing. It's like gives friction to it. So yeah, if you remove these also, and with that gasket removal, basically you have got the super lightweight fidget spinner. Now other tips are like, you can 3D print your fidget spinner. If you have a 3D printer at your house, you can get 3D printers like that. Or else, if you want to make a chocolate fidget spinner, which I've heard in the internet, you can basically remove all the ball bearings, make a silicone mold. If you have silicone, then you have to make it cure. So you just place it over the fidget spinner and let it cure for a few days and open this. And then basically you have a mold and you can just start placing chocolate or anything, candy mold or gummy mold, anything. So you can make many spinners which can be edible. So yeah, that's kind of cool, which I've heard in the internet. Some people have done that. I've not done it personally, so just know it. I'm just telling you the tips. Now you can make your fidget spinner light up if you have like those LEDs which just require small batteries, like those lithium, you know, those small, like those circular object batteries. If you know that, I'll just place an image here. Basically those batteries are used for that. So you can just place it somewhere here and just wire it with the LED, with an LED. So basically it'll just light up and you're just moving and look cool. Now you can even get a neon color in your fidget spinner. Like, you have to pay a lot for it, but there's even another way to make it neon. So if you have a spray paint, or if you're good in spray painting, get a fluorescent color and just spray paint around it. You have to remove the ball bearings and the caps. If you want to spray paint the cap also, you can spray paint it. In my case, I won't spray paint because I'm very bad at spray painting. But I'll just learn how to spray paint, and I'll spray paint this thing. Hopefully in a video, I don't know, 4 years later, I don't know. So this video only covers up the tips and tricks. If you want to see something like the bottle flip video, like about the fidget spinners, like extreme tricks, well, please leave a like and comment down below if you want to see that with the hashtag fidget or with the hashtag spinner, we'll come to know and we'll start doing like the tricks, extreme tricks, as well as I might do an unboxing of a fidget cube. So if you want to see that video, leave a like on this video and the last video, so I'll get to know which of you guys are interested. You can even comment down below, so I'll see whoever is the active subscriber, and soon there might be a giveaway. Now I'll be starting with a gift card giveaway, so hopefully you guys wait for that, and yeah, talk to you then.